na 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 na. Mr. Star 47.
I'm terrible.
Mapenzi tulianza kwa mani na dhiki, walotuona walijua twachiki, kumbe mapenzi jamani kiki. Alipokutana na wenye dola pesa, akona zangu kuwa zezikesha, akampenda CEO mwenye kucheza chesa. Alimpenda boss, kumbe boss ana boss lady. Ona sana sita sita, anashindwa wapi atapita, wanamcheka huko akipita, hadi sasa jina kita.
Hey, Bianca, what is it? Come on. Have a seat. Una shida gani? Okay. Ala vizuri jamani. Itakuuliza. Just relax. Okay. Hivi umeenda kukunywa huko, umeenda kukunywa mpaka hivi unakaa aje hivi? Serious? Come on. Wait. Jamani, watu waelewangi hivi. Relax. Bianca, amka. Hakuna hivi.
Baby.
Kwani umetoka wapi kwanza? Kwanza umevaje? Wewe ni mfanyikazi ama umevaje? Amka. Hebu toka wewe.
What's wrong?
No. Let's go.
Hey, what's wrong?
Ndio vizuri ndio kuja. Wewe ni mfanyikazi ama umefanya nini hivi?
Hey, I'm your wife.
No.
Your wife.
Come on. I know my wife. Can you get out? Just go.
I'm your wife.
Okay. Just go. Okay.
Oh my God.
Enda. Stop kusikia. Hivi wewe.
I'm your wife.
No.
What's happening?
Who's that?
Why are you trying to
No.
night?
Just go. Wewe umefaje? Wewe unataka kuelewa?
You allowed me to go to
No. Not me. Me.
Yes, you're
Okay.
my husband.
Who's your husband?
You.
I'm not your husband anymore. Kindly. Can you get out?
No.
Just go out.
I want to sleep.
To sleep where?
On our bed. Can we sleep? Stop
No.
this. What's wrong?
Bianca, I'm not. Just go. Kindly. Hivi.
My star, open! My star, what's happening? Open the door! What are you doing? It's a prank, I'm scared. Open my star! What is this now? What is happening? Oh my gosh. It's so scary out here. It's so scary. I'm scared. Open! Oh no, because what happened? Oh no, what's happening? Open! Oh no, I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no. Oh god, what's happening? Because oh no, my star opened.
Oh, Bianca, what happened?
Don't touch me.
What is it?
You beat me and you left me in the cold.
Oh,
Yes.
unapiga saa ngapi jamani?
You beat me and you left me in the cold. See how I am.
How? How did it happen? Oh. Bianca, Bianca. Oh, Bianca. Okay, come on, Bianca. Bianca. Bianca, listen. Oh, don't do this. Bianca, kuna shida gani? Bianca, amka. Bianca. Bianca. Okay, amka. Sawa.
Don't touch me.
Okay, ulitaka maji.
You left me outside in the cold.
I'm sorry.
How dare you leave me in the cold?
I'm sorry, Bianca.
Me, your wife. The only beans in your gideri, you're leaving me outside.
It's okay.
I don't want it. It's okay.
Bianca, listen to me. Okay, listen to me. I'm sorry for what I did. I apologize. I'm sorry for everything. And I promise that hakuna kitu kitarudiwa. Samahani.
No, don't touch me.
Bianca.
No, don't touch me.
Okay, Bianca. Listen. I'm sorry for what happened. It was just a mistake.
How could you leave me outside? How will you make this up to me?
Okay. I think I was not on my sense. But I'm sorry for everything. Listen. Just try to understand me.
No.
Bianca.
No. You left me in the cold. You beat me. See my face.
I'm sorry. Sikujua hata mwenyewe nilikuwa.
How could you do this to me?
Bianca, I'm sorry for what I did. I'm sorry. Try to understand me. Nielewa wakati mwingine binadamu ukosea.
No, I'm not convinced.
Okay.
Out of my way, I want to go and freshen up.
No. Bianca.
We'll talk about
Okay,
this later.
Bianca.
No, don't touch me.
Listen.
Out of the way.
Listen, Bianca.
No.
I'm sorry.
No.
Bianca, I'm sorry for what happened.
I'm not convinced. Out of my... Excuse me.
Listen, Bianca. Excuse me. Sio kupenda kwangu mimi kufanya vitu vingine. Samahani kwa yote ambayo nimefanya. Najua nimekosea. Najua nimekosea. But I'm sorry for something.
Let me go freshen up, then come with a clean mind. Excuse me.
Sonoa bila pipi na bwana, mtimso timu bila kocha, osimu sio simu bila vocha. Jamani, yeah, not enough, not enough. Oh, wasitushi jamani, sikati na mani, hata kama ni nani yo. Wasitushi jamani, asitoshi hizi pesa.
Listen to me. I'm sorry to what happened, okay? Wakati mwingine msamaha ukua. You forgive me.
No, I don't. You hurt me and you say sorry.
Okay, listen. Kuna wakati makosa ukwepo, wawili ukosana na si lazima. Mimi na wewe tumetoka far, kupendana ni hatia. Na kupenda unanipenda si kweli, na kujali unanijali ukweli. I'm sorry to what happened. Mimi na wewe ni wapenzi ukweli. So I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
But
the next time you do this, count my ass off this place. Okay, I forgive you. Daddy!
Okay, what do you want?
I'm hungry. I want pizza and burger.
One pizza?
Yeah, and burger.
Okay, no problem. Let's go. Bianca, I'll be back. Bianca, nitarudi. Wacha nimpeleke. She's a child. Mwelewe. Sawa. Sawa.
Asitoshi hizi pesa. Nikimwitisha haki anakuwa mkali, anasahau kuwa kisu kikali, lakini akikati tamaa. Na pia anajua manyunyu ukosefu ni mafuriko. Nimepata penzi jipya leo, nabembelezwa mimi leo, nadekezwa mwenzenye ona leo, hadi nalishwa mimi ona, nasindikizwa bafuni hata kanapajua, namfunza vingi leo, kumbe mapenzi upendo kupendana.
I wanted a pizza, then here it is.
I really want. Yeah, this is the life I want.
Sure.
Yeah, I want to live with my friends. I really want money.
Really?
Yeah.
You really miss
So
mom?
enjoy, swim. Yeah.
Okay. So after this you want to swim?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, no problem. So let us have something first, and then we go to swim. Do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Who taught you to swim?
Because they funny.
Sure.
Because they funny.
Because the sun is too hot.
Yeah. Let's swim.
Okay, no problem. So let us have this first. But don't worry, mom will be here very soon. And you will enjoy, okay? Yeah. Cheers.
Can this pizza look yummy?
Yeah. So I'll have one piece. Can you have this? So let us have this first, so that you can. Pole. Okay. How is it? Sure. Okay. Enjoy it. So next time we'll have a burger. And what else?
No.
Huh?
I don't know.
You see. So let us just finish this one first, and then we go to swim, and then we go back home. Okay? Okay. Enjoy it.
Daddy, the best.
I'm the best? Sure. Okay, you're welcome. So we are done.
Yeah.
I think we can go. Let us go to swimming.
Yeah.
Sure, let's go to okay.
Yeah, not enough. Oh, wasitushi jamani.
Wacha nipige
Wasitushi jamani. Asitoshi si pesa.
Hello Bikize. Sasa kuna kazi nyingine ambayo nataka unifanyie. Unaona hiki kitoto hiki cha huyo mama huyo. Imagine kimekuja hapa kinachukua bwanangu wanaenda huko ati wanakula pizza KFC na nini. You know what? I'm not ready to share my wealth with anyone. Like I'm not ready to share my wealth with any human being, especially this little brat. The mother is there enjoying her money with other people and me here. They want to share my own money. No, I'm not going to get it. So Bikize, what I want us to do now, I want you to make that girl go blind. Yes, blind. I want her to be totally blind. Yes. And then also, I want the father to hate her. Nataka amchukie kabisa hata siwe anasikia anything that comes from that girl. I don't want the father to love her at all. Amchukie kabisa. Yes, hiyo ndio nataka. Yes. Yes, ile dawa nilikuwa nimebakia nayo, yes. Okay. Sawa kabisa. Right away. Asante Bikize. There's no way nitaruhusu a brat from nowhere kuje. I enjoy mali yangu. Something I've fight hard for to get. Niko na ile dawa basi. I'll not share my wealth with any brat. Aende huko kwa mama yake. Oh shit. You brat. You brat Chantel. I want you to go blind. Go blind. Go blind. Go blind.
Mbona unaniacha mbali?
My eyes, I can't see. I can't see. Where are you? I can't see. I can't see my eyes. Where are you? I can't see.
You can't see how?
I can't see my eyes. My eyes, yeah. I can't see. Where are you?
Okay, let's go.
Where are you?
Mbona huwezi ona? So uko kuona?
See.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hey, stop right there. What are them? What's wrong with your brat?
I can't see.
Let me handle it. Just
Where are you?
What's wrong with you? Stop making noise. Why are you making noise? Shut up. This baby. Keep quiet. Get out. Get out. Get out. Go. Rubbish. Coming to disturb our peace. Don't mind her. She's going to get you.
Sure. Sure, that's okay.
Don't worry about her. Now it's our time to enjoy. Awesome. Good. No, you left me hungry.
I'm not eating anything.
Nothing.
Serious?
Nothing. And don't mind her. She's going to be okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, she just wants to ruin our happy time.
Yeah, she's a kid, yeah?
Don't mind her.
Okay, if she'll be okay.
Let's have our good time together now.
Baba kapita penzi zipya maka nichukia umeniachia nani sina wa kunilea.
Not enough. Oh, wasitushi jamani, sikati na mani, hata kama ni nani. Wasitushi jamani, hazitoshi hizi pesa. Nikimwitisha haki anakuwa mkali, anasahau kuwa kisu kikali, lakini akikati tamaa. Na pia najua manyunyu ukosefu ni mafuriko. Nimepata penzi jipya leo, nabembelezwa mimi leo, nadekezwa mwenzenye ona leo, hadi nalishwa mimi ona, nasindikizwa bafuni hata kanapajua, namfunza vingi leo, kumbe mapenzi upendo kupendana. Ndoa bila bibi na bwana, timu so timu bila kocha, simu so simu bila vocha jamani.